Hello guys, this is Andreas again, and in this video I will show you how you can become the admin on the site. It's very easy. Up to now there is another user which is from the old site you just imported. So now we have to change this and you become the new user, the new admin. Okay, we have to go to users, and you can see here that there is me as a user at this moment. So we have to change this, but there is not the option to delete this user because there is only one user, cannot be deleted. Okay, so we have to add new. This is the solution, add new user. Let's go and use a username. We can use any, you have to use your email address. I will use one of my emails. Here I can use any password. Okay, then here we click send the new user an email about a new account. And here, this is very important, you have to choose the role for this user. You have to choose the administrator and then click add new user. Alright, you see now that the new user has been created, but we still cannot delete the previous one because we are logged in as the previous one. If you see here it says Terra Digita Store. So we have first to log out as a Terra Digita Store, to log in as a user one, and then be able to delete the Terra Digita Store user. Okay, so first we go and log out. Go to login. It's already saved because I clicked saved, so user one and the password I choose. Login. Right, go to dashboard. We have to delete this because we don't need them. All this appear now because a new user, I'm logged in now as the new user. Okay, so how to remove all these things here is you go here screen options and you unselect all these things. You can keep whatever you want. I will not keep anything now. Okay, now let's go again on users. Alright, now we are logged in as it says here Andreas Dritsos is the user one that I just created. And now if I hover here you can see the option delete. So I can delete now the old user. This is how you can delete me as a user and you become the only user on the store. So I click delete, and here watch out, is very important. It's ask you what should be done with the content owned by this user. So you have to click attribute all content to yourself, actually to the new user. Okay, because if you click delete all content you will lose all the products actually that I have listed for you. So you click here attribute, this is very important, don't forget. You choose yourself as your user. Here at this moment there are no other users, but if there are in the future when you want to delete, always make sure that you choose yourself and confirm deletion. Alright, now you see that there is no other user at this moment. This is how you can become the admin on the store, and I will show you something more here. You can go and edit. Alright, what you can edit, you cannot edit the username, but you can edit the first name, last name, or how the nickname you want to show this user. You can choose like something else here, like a new user, let's say, and here you will see this option. So it will be show as a new user also here. also on the products. Okay, you can choose this. You can change email if you want. Here you can is the membership level. If you have the premium package, you have the option to have membership. You can choose you can give to this user lifetime membership, and you can send also, if you click here, you can send this user an email about this, and you go to click save, update profile actually. And something else I wanted to show you, actually this I'm showing you because you can add a new user and you can choose to give him a membership account, and you can choose the login details. So this is how also you can create new users except yourself if you want to have like other people. Okay, and you can have your own picture. Click here to and follow the steps to add your picture, and actually that's all. Here, when you are done with editing, you can choose your country, as you can see here, address. Okay, click update profile. Let's go back to users. So here you can see now that I have a membership level from for the 500 digital products. Okay, it shows here I'm an administrator, the role is administrator, the email name. Okay, so something else I want to show you is when you have to change also the admin email address. This is a user, and you can have many users on a site, but admin can be only one on the site. So the admin email. So you go to settings, click on settings, and here here it says administration email address. You have to come here, add your own email, and then when you add your own email, click save changes. You will have to check your email address, because on your inbox you will get an email from the store asking you to click and confirm the change for the email address. This is very important. If you never it says also here this, if you never click and confirm, the email will never change. Okay, don't forget this, because if you don't change this email and you don't add your own email, I will still be the admin on the store, and I will still get the admin emails instead of you getting the emails. Okay, this is also very important. So after you handle the user and you change the user and you become the user, come here on settings, general, add your email here, and then go and click save changes and go to your inbox and click and confirm the change of the admin email. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.